Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check in Zoho People efficiently and effectively. Whether you are new to Zoho People or just looking to simplify your daily routine. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for people.zoho.in. Enter your email address and password. If it's your first time login, make sure your credentials are handy. Once you are in, go to the attendance section at the top left side. Click on this, and this is your go to area for managing time logs, summarizing, and attendance related tasks. Now it's time to officially check in. Look at the green check in button. It's small but important. One click and your workday is marked as started. No complicated step, just tap and go. Throughout the day, you can view your attendance summary, including check in and check out times. Make it easy to stay on track. So that's it. You have got a solid understanding of how to check in on Zoho People. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.